Ayo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I just want to remind you that the giveaway is still in effect. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You right there. You. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and comment the videos. Follow me on Instagram for a chance to win the giveaway. Once I reach 100 subscribers, I will be doing the giveaway. Okay, I'm working on some things behind the scenes, trying to get land to shoot on. So that should be coming real soon. Thank you to everybody who subscribed. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more cool videos and stay safe, everybody. Peace. What's good, guys? Welcome back, and today we have another review. Today we're doing a review on the CZ P10C. I really like this gun. I really like the feel of this gun, the look of it. CZ guns all look good. They're all well made. They all look great. And of course, we have a Surefire X300 Ultra on there. If it ain't Surefire, it's going to be a Streamlight. Nice looking gun. This gun right here is compared to the Glock 19 all the time. One of my favorite guns. Made in the Czech Republic. This one comes equipped with a threaded barrel. Suppressor height sights from factory, night sights at that, the tritium in there, works well in the night, works well in dark places. The slide is real sleek and smooth. These cuts are deep. The cuts on the back are deep. The front cocking serrations are real good. You get a good rack on there. Oh, by the way, the gun has been safety checked for you guys out there. It's a clean looking gun. It has texturing on the index points for your little thumb forward, for your thumb forward grip on there. I always run the smallest back straps. I have small hands, so I always run the small back straps. Beaver tail on there is very great. Nice high grip on this gun. The texturing on this gun is really aggressive. At first, when I first got this gun, it would hurt my hand to shoot, but over time they kind of like smoothed out, but very aggressive. Get a real good purchase on this gun. All around, front of the grip. Like I said, at first when I got this gun, it was a little uncomfortable to shoot because of that. I would get like little marks on my hand. It's not that bad now, but at first, yeah, it would hurt. So, you know, after time, it kind of smoothed out, so it feels good now. We have Ambidextrous Mag Releases on both sides there. Comes right out. That's from factory. We have ambidextrous slide release. The best thing about this gun to me has to be the trigger. Has to be the trigger. This trigger is from factory, one of the best striker fire triggers out there. The trigger shoe is nice. Thin, has a trigger safety. Little take up. Oh, breaks just like glass. Feels real good. Nice trigger. Reset. Very good trigger. One of the best striker fire triggers out there, in my opinion. The suppressor height sights are from factory. I like that little hook on there. You can rack it off a table, rack it off your belt, rack it off your sneaker, rack it off of somebody's teeth if need be. Nice sights. It's a striker fired gun. The magazine, I believe, is a 15 round mag, right? With the base plate, gives you 17 plus 1. Now these mags are interchangeable with the P07. They have the nice bright orange follower there, so you can see when your gun is empty. This gun is chambered in 9mm, and I believe it comes in 40 cal as well. Nice magazines, metal mags. This is all from factory. This is all from CZ. All around, I really like this gun. I give it like about a 9 out of 10. Very accurate, very reliable. The trigger is awesome. Haven't had many issues with this gun at all. It has a cold hammer forged barrel. It's really good gun. Always equipped with a light, real bright X300 Ultra. My go-to light. The overall length on this gun is about 8 inches. It's a firing pin block safety and a trigger safety as well. The frame is fiber reinforced polymer. So this is a really good gun. Has a good feel. Has a real good feel. If you guys are looking for this gun, I think they run about like $749.99. I could be mistaken. CZ always does a great job on their slides. High quality guns. Now this does come with interchangeable back straps. I always run the smallest one, but they have a small, medium, and large. There's plenty aftermarket parts. You could change out the trigger shoe, change the internals, change the barrel if you like. This gun is bone stock from the factory. No upgrades on here. Only thing I put on there was the light. It's a great looking firearm. If you're tired of a Glock 19 and you wanted a striker fire gun, this would be a good choice. This would be a good pickup right here. The best part about this gun is the trigger. What I don't like about it the most is the texturing. It's very aggressive texturing. You could grate some cheese on there. It's very aggressive on this texturing here. Haven't had no issues with this gun. Haven't had not any issue. I shot quite a few rounds out of it as well. Every time I first buy a gun, I always put it through the ringer. I don't clean it. I don't clean it at all. And this gun was one of the guns that I just kept on shooting and without cleaning, never had a jam, malfunction, not one hiccup with this gun. The texturing is on both sides where the index points are at. Left side and the right side. Very similar to a Glock 19. In my opinion, it's a tad bit better. Just a little better. Due to the trigger. That trigger is what does it for this gun. If you fire one of these P10Cs, you know what I'm talking about. I believe this gun came with 2 magazines. It's very well made. If you can find these in your local shop, I say definitely pick it up. You can't go wrong. Very reliable. Very rugged. Good purchase on this gun. Nice grip. My hands are on the smaller side, so it fits my hands really good. If you're in the market for a striker fire gun, definitely pick this bad boy up. I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. It's REF Vlogs, and I'm signing out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Stay safe out there. Peace.